Thank you. Thank you for your support. Very well. Very well. I'll see you guys next fight.
Ruka, have you cheated in the match?
Who said that?
I said it. You are a cheat.
Are you crazy?
You have put grease in the eyes of my son.
What proof do you have? Where's your proof, huh?
If I had the proof, you would have been behind the bars.
Look who's talking, huh? You calling me a cheater? You people don't even know how to lace up the gloves. I'm not the cheater. You're the cheater. This man's accusing me of cheating. This guy has a 15-year ban for doping charges, and he's calling me a cheater.
You greedy dog! You can't fix the match with me! तूने मेरे पापा का छुआ कैसे? हाँ? मेरे पापा का छुआ कैसे तूने? How dare you touch him? अरे तूने मेरे पापा का छुआ कैसे तूने? हाँ? How dare you touch him? How dare you? I will kill you! मार दूँगा तुझे मैं यही मार दूँगा साले! I'll kill you! और छोड़ मुझे! Let's go! यही मैं यही मार दूँगा! छोटा मनु, मैं तुझे यहीं काट दूँगा, इधर, अभी, I will kill you.
I can kill you right here, but I'm no emotional fool like you. Take the law in my own hands, but I'll kill you in the ring, and I'll make it official.
Good, बहुत अच्छी बात बोली तूने. रिंग में ही मारूंगा तुझे, क्योंकि वहीं मुझे अपने भाई का हक जीता है, उसकी बेल्ट, मेरे डैड का ऑनर, और मुझे सुकून मिलेगा तेरी मौत से, जब मैं तुझे मार दूँगा, and that will be official, official. Official death. Yeah, yeah. अंगद, ये क्या कर रहे हो बेटे तुम? हाँ? तू बॉक्सिंग करेगा उसके साथ? नहीं बेटे, हम बॉक्सिंग नहीं करेंगे हम लड़ेंगे उसके साथ. I'll drag him to the court.
ये आप कह रहे हैं पापा? आपको इंसाफ मिला? नहीं ना?
अंगद, हम उसके साथ बॉक्सिंग में नहीं जीत सकते. He's a world champion और तुम्हें बॉक्सिंग छोड़े एक अरसा हो गया बेटे. और ये कोई सड़क पर लड़ने वाली लड़ाई नहीं है.
I know it's boxing, पापा.
Boxing needs stamina.
I have stamina.
You have stamina, huh? Come on, show me. Let me see, कितना stamina है तुम्हारे अंदर? बस, निकल गया तुम? 12 पंचेस में ये हालत है तुम्हारी. 12 राउंड कैसे लड़ोगे उसके साथ?
पापा, मेरे पास 1 महीना है. मैं प्रैक्टिस करूंगा.
1 महीने में वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप की तैयारी नहीं हो सकती बेटे.
I will do it, पापा. I will do it.
Don't talk like a child. अरे तेरी उम्र में आके तो बॉक्सर रिटायर हो जाते
होंगे पापा. मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि उस आदमी ने मेरे भाई को चीटिंग से हराया. That's all.
अंगद, तूने क्या मेरे खिलाफ जाने की जिद पकड़ रखी है? मेरा एक बेटा मौत से जूझ रहा है. मैं दूसरे को मौत के मुंह में कैसे भेज दूं? बेटे, तू नहीं लड़ेगा बेटे? For God's sake, don't fight. Don't fight.
I will fight, Papa.
You won't.
I will fight, Papa.
You won't.
I will fight.
You won't.
I will fight.
Shut up.
I will fight.
Go ahead. मरो. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए तुमसे. Die.
बाबूजी.
सिमरन, बहुत बेबस हो गया मैं. I don't want to lose him. अपना सिंदूर बचा सकती है बेटे, तो बचा ले।
बस अंगद बस, बहुत हो गया। You are not going to fight. आपको आर्यन की कसम है। अंगद!
कुछ और कहना है? तुम्हें कुछ कहना है?
Yes. क्या आपके पापा को कोई हरा सकता है?
नहीं।
तो फिर मेरे पापा को कोई कैसे हरा सकता है?
अपने तो अपने होते हैं।
2 घंटे 10 मिनट में तुम पहुंच गए। 30 मिनट में कर पाओगे, तब लुका का स्टैमिना तुम मैच कर सकोगे। हिम्मत कितनी ही क्यों ना हो, लेकिन शरीर तो शेप में आने में अपना समय लेता ही है। बलदेव ठीक कहता था कि वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप की तैयारी 1 महीने में नहीं हो सकती।
बॉक्सिंग के इतिहास में बहुत बड़े घमासान हुए हैं, पर इतनी उत्सुकता शायद ही पहले कभी देखी गई। इस वक्त पूरी दुनिया की नजर इस घमासान पर है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हम सब जानते हैं कि ये सिर्फ एक बॉक्सिंग मैच नहीं है। ये लड़ाई है एक भाई की अपने भाई के साथ किए गए अन्याय का बदला लेने के लिए। ये लड़ाई है एक पुत्र की अपने पिता को न्याय दिलाने की। हैरत की बात,
I'm sorry, हमें इमीडिएटली कुछ टेस्ट करने हैं।
क्यों?
तुम्हारे ब्लड में कुछ जॉन्डिस के ट्रेसेस मिले हैं। We have to do some scans right away.
Can't we wait for 2 hours? Let me watch the match. Please.
मिनिस्टर की समझ में ये बात नहीं आएगी कि वो मेरे बेटे को मार देना चाहते हैं। It's not a match. It's a killing game.
चौधरी साहब, आपने कभी भी अंगद का किसी चीज में साथ नहीं दिया, लेकिन आज आपके बेटे को आपकी सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है। चौधरी साहब, आप ही उसे बचा सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो फिर बैठे रहो ਤੇ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਰ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਇਆ। ਰੱਬ ਨਾ ਕਰੇ।
पापा,
चल पूजा तुर।
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to center ring, brother of the miracle boy, Angad Chaudhry Singh.
Plenty of people hoping and praying. Weight of the world on this man's shoulders. Pride, honor, determination, revenge, all of that a factor here.
Oh, feels like a funeral in here tonight. We can hear a pin drop. I feel like I'm at a funeral, not a fight, Dave.
Yes, well, there's a lot of people very concerned about the welfare and safety of Angad tonight.
Angad, 85% of people polled believe that tonight you're either going to be killed or maimed badly. Everybody is scared to death for you. What have you got to say to them?
Means 85% people are praying for me. So, how can I die?
ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਫੱਟੇ।
इस जीत नू हुण है पाना, हुण दा जिद है मेरी।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117,
Move aside. Move back. Back a bit.
You heard?
That's it. I'm knocking him out in 30 seconds.
Luca, listen to me, baby. Tonight, all eyes are on you. You're a champion. Fight with honor. Everyone knows what that man is fighting for. So now ask yourself, what are you fighting for, Luca?
You will see the Luca you know. I love you.
I love you.
Introduce you to the man, the Killing Machine, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Luca Gracia.
No one wants to see blood from Luca! Well, Luca doesn't want blood either! The media, they call me the Killing Machine. But what I've always been is a boxer who works harder than any other fighter. And is it my fault that these men enter the ring with me? I'm prepared. I'm trained. But yet, I'm the one to blame. Because I am not a killing machine! I am a champion!
You still have one more chance to save your life. Leave the arena.
I have not come to save my life. I've come to take yours. I've come here to kill you. Let's fight.
Ten seconds.
वाहिगुरु जी दा खालसा वाहिगुरु जी दी फतेह
And there's the opening bell. We're underway. The champ immediately comes out throwing punches. A right to left combination. The head. Unguard. Against Unguard's brother, the Miracle Boy.
He's down.
He's hurt.
Is he gonna get up? See that? I've never seen anything like this in his entire career.
Get him! Get him! Get him! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You okay? Box. His credibility questioned, and it will be again. But he's sending a message. He will not be beaten on this day.
लुका को पहले राउंड में गिराकर तुमने इतिहास बना दिया है.
All right, compose yourself.
Yeah.
Are you composed? All right.
Man, I'm fine, man.
Are you okay?
Yeah, beta.
Papa, one more punch and he's gone.
Yeah.
Don't come to the corner, okay?
Box.
Yes.
Break it up. Break it. Go to your corner.
Cheat, Griff!
Stay there.
I when you cheat. That's right.
Point from his pit
I'll take action.
you!
I f you. You.
Mother you!
You mother.
I killed your brother, now I'll kill you!
Ah, come here. यहाँ खड़ा हूँ साले.
I'm the champ!
ठीक क्या रहा इधर आ? मार दूँगा तुझे यहीं.
Luca! 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 Luca!
Go fight.
Both fighters, intense, determined, calling each other out.
What mother?
Ah, come on.
Where are you going?
Stay in your corner.
Angad, that's my husband in the ring.
Your husband?
Yeah.
You can go. Good luck. Hey, you come again? I told you not to come here. Huh? Stay cool.
I've never seen a spectacle like this before, Amanda.
Papa, listen, Papa.
Alright, देखो बस.
Leave me.
एकदम.
Aryan! Papa! Please put him down.
I said, don't go near the ring. You understand me?
नहीं वो नहीं जाएगा. I'm sorry. Sorry. आर्या, तुम चाहते हो कि पापा ये मैच जीते?
हाँ.
तो बेटा रिंग के कॉर्नर में मत जाओ.
पर मुझे जाना है.
नहीं बेटा, वो उन्हें डिस्क्वालीफाई कर देंगे. प्लीज बेटा.
Okay.
Come on.
Box.
Been hit. I don't know if we can put that on the scorecards, but that was a devastating right hand to the referee, and maybe that'll give him a wake-up call.
What happened? How can that have happened?
These two have battled hard. As you can see, the left eye of the challenger is almost closed shut. The champ is working that
You're looking
eye.
tired, Dave. Really tired.
Overhand right after overhand right, connecting the eye of the challenger. He's bloodied on both sides of his face.
That's it. That's it.
Go to your corner. Go to your corner. One at a time against the Miracle Boy. And can you believe it? I think Angard is looking particularly bad. And I think the experience of Luca might start to come to the forefront.
हाँ बेटे।
Cut me, Papa.
Come on, champ. Get back in there. All right. You got one more round and you can put him down. No problem.
champ.
Cut me.
Give it to me.
Seconds out!
Give me a second, please. Please.
Let me have a look. He cannot fight like this.
He will fight.
He cannot. He cannot see.
Shit, champ. You're gonna win, man.
I will give this fight to Luca. He cannot.
Albert, fight.
He won't give up. He won't give in. It looks good.
Okay. You can fight.
You gotta get back in there. Champ, you want it?
He's got 1 round left in this world heavyweight bout. Winner take all.
No. I have another one.
It's so close. What's
All right.
gonna happen?
Who's on the rope? He's on the rope.
Get down, my son!
Argard has to get up. In order to win this fight, he has to get up.
It's so close. What's gonna happen?
He's gotta get to his feet. You gotta get up.
Get up!
Get up, Argard.
He's gonna do it. I know he'll do it.
Get up.
Get up, भैया! Get up! Get up, भैया! Get up!
Get down, my son! Angad, get up! Karan!
आज का दिन बलदेव की जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा दिन